How to fix Verizon LTE network extender not working. The first thing you can check are the cables, so make sure the power cable is connected properly. You can check that the Ethernet cable that runs from the extender's LAN port to your actual router. So it should be this wire over here or your Ethernet cable. Make sure it's all plugged in properly. There's no broken wires or something similar to that. The next thing you can try is to restart both of your devices. So unplug the extender and the router for 30 seconds. Restart the router first and wait for the internet to return, and then reconnect the extender. You could also try improving the GPS signal. So place the extender near a window or in an elevated location. Use its GPS antenna cable when needed, since it does require a strong GPS signal to operate. Then you can wait for activation. Allow the extender 30 to 60 minutes to finish starting and connecting, and try avoiding repeatedly unplugging it, since this can restart the activation process. Then finally, you can test the connection. So wait until the front lights turn blue or the display says in service, and you can try calling #48 from your Verizon phone to confirm that it is connected to the extender. So the extender does need a working broadband internet connection. If it still can't activate after 1 hour, you can use Verizon's network extender troubleshooting assistant or just contact Verizon support. But those are a few options you can try if your Verizon LTE network extender isn't working. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.